I think I liked both Madison and Florida for different reasons. So I liked Florida just because it was like warm and like there was the beach and there's a lot of different places um, that you can go to. But in Madison, everyone's super nice and it's a lot smaller and the weather is not as hot, but they're they're both really different places. But I enjoyed both of my time in both places.
Uh, it's it's good. I like living here. I like the weather. I prefer, the heat than the cold. So it's, and we are the Sunshine State, so a lot of that.
Moving was an interesting experience just because I was in the middle of high school and it was a weird time, and then going to a new high school when everyone already had their group of friends and already knew each other. So it was fun. Oh, I think you get exposed to how different people live in different areas. So in Florida, everything was really fast paced, and people were like, I have to go do this now, like, and they're a certain way, and their culture is different than the way people are in Madison, because in Madison, everyone's a lot more laid back, and they do different activities, um, like a lot of outdoor sports, and a lot of like watching football every single Sunday night, and like going fishing and hunting and camping and all those things. But in Florida, people were more into doing different activities, so it was interesting just to see how you can like live your life in different